All right, here we go. This is 22 Tops Fire PYT number 8. Good luck, everyone. There's our 22 Tops Fire. We should have 2 autos per box on average. We have 20 packs or 6 cards per pack. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Again, you do not have to be in the break to make a guess. So anyone watching this break here live, get your guesses in the chat. Make sure it is not the same player as someone else guesses above you. Luck, and we do have that random team break on our website. There's 19 teams left, $29.99 a spot. We are giving away a spot to anyone in that break. So the more spots you have, the more chances you'll have at the free spot as well. Plus, it starts our bounty breaks. We'll be running bounty breaks off the website. That pot will start at $50 and then go up if no one hits the bounty each break by $50. There's Vidal Brujan rookie, Cedric Mullins, Logan Webb. Then we got the fire insert of Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox. There's Brandon Marsh rookie, Brian Reynolds. Get your guesses in on the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. There's Rendon, McCutcheon, Martinez, Lewis, Beats, Sia. Have Luis Roberts, Wander Franco, Ramirez. There's Melendez, Jay Melendez out of 299. That's going to Kansas City. 50 out of 299. Jose Siri, Derek Jeter. Smith, Skubal, Peralta, Suzuki on the red. Reds are not numbered here. Bueller, Piazza. Have Bellinger, McGuire, Joe Ryan, Stott, Kirilloff, Nick Lodolo. Next pack. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto. We got Bregman, Anaya, Kershaw, Luis Gill, getting another red rookie, Olson, Strider, Ripken, De La Cruz rookie, Bobby Witt rookie, Lindor, Winker, Barrios, DJ Abrams, Torres, Jose Miranda. There's our first auto. That's going to be Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals. World Baseball Classic champ out of 99, 58 out of 99 on the Lars Nootbaar rookie auto. Sit there for the Cardinals. Top loads the other ones. And you guys are guessing the player on the last auto. We will be back again on Wednesday. We do have spots available on Wednesday's breaks, and if you go to our schedule, we do have spots available for Thursday as well. I didn't have that link posted into the chat tonight, so I apologize, but the schedule link does pop up, so you can grab your spots for Thursday there. There's Stroman, Meadows. You guys can also follow us on Twitter. We're always posting links out to our breaks that we have available as well. Rare, we got Burns, Story, To the Moon. That is Paul Goldschmidt. Xander Bogaerts, Jack Flaherty. Austin Riley, Yohan Moncada. Fired up Javier Baez, Olsen on the red, Soler, Crawford, Kyle Schwarber. On there, Nato, we got Freeman. The Moon, that is Eloy again. Syndergaard, Harper. Machado, Adele, Verling rookie, Strider red rookie, Kyle Tucker, Castellanos. Yeah, if we get that down around 5 or so, we'll schedule it. If we get it filled on one of these break nights, we'll do it that night. So Ryan Mountcastle, Crawford, Devers, Kelnick, Betts, Schmidt. We got 19 spots left. We're giving away a spot in the break. Again, if you have spots in the break, that's how you can get that free spot. We'll randomize it to someone in the break. Burger, there's a flipping out Fernando Tatis Jr. Flamethrowers of Walker Buehler. We have Bobby Dahlbeck. That looks like pink. That is out of 25. 16 out of 25 on the Dahlbeck pink. That is going to Boston. Got Chisholm, Hank Aaron. Corey Seager. Beaver. Bell. DeGrom on the on fire die cut. There's Aaron Judge. Lewis. Top loaded here. We'll move on to our last few packs. Again, we do have one auto left. You guys are guessing that player on that auto or on that card. Guess that player correctly, you get 20 in credit. Yeah, unless somebody comes in here and buys all 19 spots, we won't run that tonight. But if we fill it tonight, we'll run it tonight. And then once we get it down, like I said, under 5 spots, we will, or around 5 spots, we'll schedule it, then run it. Got Altuve, Haniger, Pujols, Ortiz, Benintendi, Thomas. Our auto should be coming up. Probably not backwards, so I'll probably show it before the end. So get your guesses in, Yelich. There's Julio, Alonso. We got Kinsey Gore, Theo, Bo Bichette. We have Correa, Wheeler. There it is, Ryan Valade. Rookie auto for Colorado. Did anybody guess Ryan Valade? That is the guess for this break. Matt Verling was the last guess I seen in the chat. If anybody had Ryan Valade in this one, you get 20 in credit. Arias on the red rookie. Brayu, Arozarena, 2 packs left. Then we'll top those cards, do a recap, and then we're going to move on to our Topps Chrome Ben Baller. That is up next. Ben Baller is up next. There's Ryan Valade, Urias, Blackman, Ronald Acuna on fire die cut, Duran rookie, Molina. Our last pack of the break. Good luck. We have Josiah Gray, Joey Votto, Marcus Semien, fired up Wander Franco, nice one for Tampa. Max Fried, Clevenger. Upload these, do our recap, and we'll move on to our next break. Let's do our recap again, then we'll move on to Ben Baller. There's another link in the chat for one of our upcoming breaks. Again, that's a 2017 Mahomes rookie year. Couple products there. Julio Rodriguez rookie, the red Arias rookie. Ronald Cunha on fire die cut, the fired up Wander Franco. Ryan Valade was our last auto in the guess of the break. Nice rookie auto there for Colorado. To the moon, Paul Goldschmidt. Eloy Jimenez to the moon for the White Sox. Spencer Strider, red rookie. Bobby Dahlback was pink parallel. That is to 25. That was 16 out of 25. On fire, Jacob deGrom. Eloy on fire, Franco rookie. MJ Melendez rookie orange out of 299. 50 out of 299. Red Suzuki rookie, Red Gill rookie, Bobby Witt rookie, and the Lars Nootbaar auto. That was for the Cardinals, and that was out of 99. 58 out of 99 on the Lars Nootbaar. All right, that does it for the Topps Fire break. Up next is our 22 Ben Baller Chrome break. Good luck to everybody in that one coming up.